Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Berachain in Metamask. Alright, so your first step would be to go ahead and open up the Metamask Web3 wallet on your device. Once you've opened it up, please note that the Berachain exists on the Ethereum blockchain. So in order to do that, you're going to have to switch to the Ethereum network on your Metamask. So from whatever network you are, select the Ethereum mainnet. And once you've selected Ethereum mainnet, simply head over to your browser section at the bottom of your screen. Once you're on the browser section, all you need to do is where it says search by site or address, simply paste this link, which will be in the description of the video, and simply click on go. Alright, so once you're on chainlist.org, simply use the search network feature to search for Berachain. Once you've searched, simply click on add to Metamask. And then you're prompted to add the Berachain network to your Metamask. So all you need to do now is simply click on confirm. And Berachain has been successfully added, so click on got it. Head back to your wallet, perform a simple reload, and boom, we have the Berachain network available on our wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.